Is there any advice you have for us in terms of gender adab? Have you noticed behaviour that needs adjusting? Any reprimands? Well, I haven't spent enough time here really, so I haven't spotted anything that I thought was reprehensible. And I think we need to be less obsessive and more forgiving and recognise that given the strength of human inclinations and the ignorance of the surrounding culture, we are not always going to get it right, and that sometimes we will blunder and there will be excessive informalities, and we need to forgive other Muslims when we see that rather more than we have done. We've become almost paranoid about this issue of gender segregation, which was certainly not the way of the Salaf. Their relations between men and women were a good deal more relaxed than ours have become.